Is he doing the thing where he the pickaxe? There's the pickaxe. There's the thing. That's cool. Easy. Wait, Sumi no. Wait, is that Sumi? No mori kara dashitsuru. He? What kanji is that again? Oh my god. I get the feeling, Drake playing that you can read that kanji. What was that kanji? I don't remember. The one that on the top right, it said like dashitsuru. Something dashitsuru. Bro, not him again. No, no. You see this? Appropriate.
Link says, was it? I stepped away and only saw it for a brief moment.
Maybe it's not a bad thing. Bro, we just got put into his... No. No. Wait.
Zyroxan says, OMG, he put the drug tissue on your mouth.
What are we watching? What are we watching? I feel somehow like really dirty.
Zyroxan says, oh hell nah.
I'm like, what?
Zyroxan says, what is this?
I know what it is. I know what's happening. I'll explain it in a second. Dude, this is the lore of the game. I get what it's trying to say. I suspected so long. This is not good at all. This is... Wow. I'm gonna look up that kanji, because I think I can draw it from memory. No, I can't. I don't know, it had like day on the top, like a little box on the top, and then it had... I think I can draw. I think I know what to do. Okay. I'll explain what I think's happening, by the way.
Zyroxan says she overdosed by now.
It's Sumi. Oh, it said escape. It said to escape the forest of sin. Oh yeah. She's dead by now. She's in heaven. Yeah.